Okay then, Kai, let's see how you do. Right, that's not words, so you get the first one, but you blow that one because that needs to be written in the words 17. That's okay. That's okay. That's not right though. 5 and 3 is 8, so you're not going to end up with a 3. That's good. 2, 3, 4, 5 for the page. Good. Good. Isosceles. I've seen this spelled so many times in the last couple of hours that I've forgotten how to spell it myself. Isosceles. 2, 5, 7, 8 is correct. Now here you want the largest number. Yes, it's got to be odd, but to make it as big as possible, you want the thousands column to have the biggest digit. So you want that 8 at the end. And then you want that smallest odd number to be in the units. Not sure what you've done there to turn 4,736 into 50 or to 470. Okay, watch, I'll explain that on the video. That's correct though. That's wrong, that's right, that's right, that's wrong. A normal can of Coke or soft drink would be 300 millimeters, 330 milliliters. So a kettle is going to be bigger than that. So it's that size there. Okay, so for that page, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. No, fraction, total possible chances go on the bottom, and you've got 50 tickets in the drum, and only one of them is a yellow 7. So it's 1 out of 50. No, that's not the right explanation. What we're looking for there is for you to say there are 2 tickets in the drum with a number 16 on it, but only 1 ticket in the drum with a number 26 in it. Okay. 48 is right, 6 is right, that's not right. Right, it's fallen because the further up the school there are more people in each year. Okay, that year group, when that was in year 7, had more in it than that one. That one, when it was in year 7, that had more than that and more than that. So when these were in year 7, they had more people in than the current year 7. So 2 marks for the page. Ooh, 48. How have you got that now then? You can see it's going up times 4 times 4 times 4. Surely 10 times 4 isn't 48. No, it hasn't got 15 cubes, and you haven't stated the units would be centimeters cubed. Okay, what you do, count the number of cubes in the layer you can see completely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cubes, and times by 3 layers to get 21. This is an angle measuring. That little hat there is telling you you're looking for the angle A, B, C. Measure that angle. Okay, it isn't going to be 12.2, which is when you add the length of that to the length of that. Completely wrong. Total for the page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, angle work, take a look at what I've done. That's correct. That's not Find 1% by dividing by 100 times by 7, because you want 7%, is 35. 3 for the page. Four miles is wrong. In the first hour, from 9 till 10, he's gone from 10 up to 40, so he's gone 30. 1 hour 10 minutes is wrong two ways. One, it's asking for minutes, so you need to say 70, but 70 is wrong as well. You need to work out how many minutes each little square is worth, and you're going 60 minutes in 10 squares, so each little square is 6 minutes. That is good, it's a good explanation, but that is wrong as well. 2 hours 14 is wrong. Now I can see from the marks which times you're using, so I'll give you 1 mark for using the right times, but your answer is totally wrong. Watch my video clip, see how to do that. Not sure what you're trying to tell me there. Well, 25 isn't a prime number for starters. So I don't know, it's wrong. U times by 4 is right. And that doesn't help. What you need to do here is to turn that into a percentage, which you should know is 60%. Fifths go up in 20s. And then say, well, 65 is larger than 60. Watch how I explain that on the video clip. Games of chance. The sum on Jones the sum, and that's usually a high scoring question that you can do quite well at. That is correct, that isn't, that is. For this one, round it to nice numbers. 0.5 times 120, half of 120 is 60, so you want your numbers in the same place, your decimal in the same place as that one, I mean, sorry. 2, 3 for the page. Right, that point's in the wrong place. That point's in the wrong place. So 2 mistakes, that's wrong. Positive correlation is correct. Your line of best fit, you don't join the dots, you draw a line which is kind of in the same gradient, the same steepness as your points. Reading off yours at 3,200, it isn't going to be 3,800, so you're not going to get that either. That is right. That isn't, it should be going to there, and that one should be going to there. So there's 2 mistakes there. 1 for your correct use of the centre of enlargement, but none for your enlargement. With this question, you have correctly reflected the shape, but your mirror is in the wrong place. You've put your mirror there. It wants the mirror on the line x equals 1. The line x equals 1 is the line where the x coordinate is always 1, so it's where that dotted line is there. If you put the mirror there, that's where the reflection should have been. That's not quite right. Your rotating point is in the wrong place. 2, 1 is there, not there. 8 and 1 is not right. It's not the square of the 2 numbers, it's the sum of the 2 numbers. So you're looking for 2 numbers that add up to give 8 and times together to give minus 65. Have a look at how I've done that on the video. That one's right, that one's wrong. Your folds you've got to fold them exactly in half. So you've got to fold it like that and like that. And that's not right. Okay, so the total for your paper, Kai, is 5, 14, 16, 22, 25, 27, 30, 30, I haven't added this together, 1, 2, 33, 36, 36 out of 100, 36 out of 100 would be grade F. So it's quite a way to go, but that's the first one you've done for me, so hopefully we'll improve quite quickly.